Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Maria Pitelt and I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. This video is brought to you by one of my favorite stores, Be Trendy. So today we're gonna be making a recipe that is vegan for non-vegans. It's full of flavor from the walnuts, the spinach, the sun-dried tomatoes. So we're gonna be making stuffed mushrooms. I hope you like it. Feel free to play with the ingredients and let's have some fun. Hi everyone. No. Sun-dried tomatoes. No. And today, no. One by one.